Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. So in this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can turn your photo into baseball players look with Capcut apps. Okay, so open the Capcut apps and tap new project and select your photo that you want to edit. And I'm going to open my project, and I already have one photo here. So just click on the photo and then select style button. Okay, so you can find the baseball effects. So here we go. Sorry, here we go. Just click on it to applying the effect. Just wait, and this is the final result. Okay, so your photo has been changed to baseball player looks. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Thank you so much for watching.